Are you struggling with integrating the identity system with Entity Framework Core? You're not alone. Many developers face challenges when trying to combine these powerful tools. Today, we're going to unravel this issue together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to implement a feature, but the tools just don't seem to cooperate. This is a common scenario, and it can feel like you're hitting a wall. But don't worry, we're here to break it down. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how can I use the identity system to generate tokens and retrieve users while also implementing eager loading? This is a tricky situation, especially since the user manager methods return tasks and eager loading requires iQueryable. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. To understand the issue, we need to recognize that Entity Framework Core does not support lazy loading. This means we have to rely on eager loading, which can complicate things when working with the user manager. Let's break this down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a valuable tip that can help you streamline your development process even further. To address the user's issue, we need to create a custom method that allows for eager loading while using the user manager. This involves retrieving users through a queryable interface. Next, the user should implement a method that utilizes the user manager to fetch users. This method will return an iQueryable of application user, allowing for eager loading. Now the user can call this custom method from their service layer. This allows them to include related data when retrieving users, thus solving the eager loading issue. Finally, the user should ensure that they handle any potential exceptions that may arise during the retrieval process. This will help maintain the stability of the application. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Entity Framework was released in 2008? It has come a long way since then, and so have the challenges developers face. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests directly accessing the user manager's user's property. They recommend using the include method to eager load related data like sales while filtering users by email. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves creating a method to retrieve a single user with eager loading. This method accepts a predicate for filtering and includes properties for eager loading. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your Entity Framework Core and identity packages updated. This can help you avoid many common issues and take advantage of the latest features. And there you have it. You should now have a clearer understanding of how to integrate the identity system with Entity Framework Core while using eager loading. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.